Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners looking to reduce utility costs and create a more comfortable indoor environment. While insulation and HVAC systems often get the most attention, windows play a crucial role in maintaining energy performance. Among the various window styles available, casement windows stand out for their ability to enhance energy efficiency. With their unique design and modern features, they offer both functional and long-term benefits for any home. One of the primary reasons casement windows are highly energy efficient is their tight sealing capability. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, casement windows are hinged on the side and close by pressing firmly against the frame. When locked, the sash creates a strong, airtight seal that minimizes air leakage. This prevents conditioned air from escaping and keeps outdoor air from entering, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Another key factor is reduced drafts. Drafts are a common issue with older or less efficient windows, often caused by gaps or worn seals. Casement windows are designed to eliminate these gaps by closing securely against weather stripping. This makes them particularly effective in preventing unwanted airflow, which can otherwise lead to uneven temperatures and increased energy usage. The design of casement windows also supports improved insulation. Modern versions are typically built with insulated frames and multi-pane glass. These features work together to reduce heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The insulating layers within the glass act as a barrier, slowing down the movement of heat and helping maintain a stable indoor climate. Casement windows also contribute to energy efficiency through strategic ventilation. While sealing is important when the windows are closed, their ability to open fully allows homeowners to take advantage of natural airflow. When opened, the window sash acts like a scoop, directing fresh air into the home. This natural ventilation can reduce the need for air conditioning during mild weather, lowering energy consumption and improving indoor air quality. Another benefit is the use of advanced glass technology. Many casement windows include low emissivity, low-E coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. This helps reduce solar heat gain during warmer months and retains indoor heat during cooler periods. As a result, homeowners can enjoy bright, sunlit spaces without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Frame materials also play an important role in energy performance. Casement windows are often made from materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or wood composites, all of which offer strong insulating properties. These materials resist temperature changes and maintain their shape over time, ensuring that the window continues to provide an effective seal. Proper installation is essential for maximizing energy efficiency. Even the best casement windows will not perform well if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the window is aligned, sealed, and fitted properly within the frame. This prevents gaps, improves insulation, and allows all energy-saving features to function as intended. Durability is another factor that contributes to long-term efficiency. Casement windows are built with fewer moving parts compared to some other window styles, which reduces the likelihood of wear and tear. A well-maintained window will continue to provide a tight seal and consistent performance over time, helping homeowners maintain energy savings. In addition to functional benefits, casement windows can improve overall home comfort. By reducing drafts, controlling temperature fluctuations, and allowing for controlled ventilation, they create a more balanced indoor environment. This makes living spaces more enjoyable while also reducing reliance on heating and cooling systems. Maintenance is relatively simple, which helps preserve energy efficiency. Regular cleaning, checking weather stripping, and ensuring hardware is functioning properly can keep casement windows performing at their best. With minimal effort, homeowners can extend the lifespan of their windows and maintain their efficiency. In conclusion, casement windows are an excellent choice for enhancing energy efficiency in homes. Their tight sealing design, superior insulation, and ability to provide natural ventilation make them a practical and effective solution. When combined with modern materials, advanced glass technology, and professional installation, casement windows offer long-lasting performance that improves comfort, reduces energy costs, and adds value to any home.